Hi, I'm here with Jerry Gamblin, who's Principal Security Architect at Kenna Security. Jerry, I have a number of vulnerability scanners. Why do I need Kenna?
The most important reason you need Kenna is to help you correlate that data into something actionable so that your teams can spend their limited amount of time that they have to actually fix the most vulnerable systems on your network. Everybody has more systems, more patches than they can apply, and not enough time. And instead of trying to spend way more hours than you have in a day working on that, we help you by taking in vulnerability data from nearly 30 different vulnerability scanners, correlating that, running it through some very, very impressive machine intelligence and some AI, and it it runs your vulnerabilities against what's being actively exploited on the internet
Okay.
and what we're seeing from a bunch of different sources. And it says, here are the top 10 things you should work on patching this week. Here are the things that you have on your network that we're most likely to see exploited soon.
Excellent. So give me some real world examples. Where have you helped customers?
We really help customers finding those edge cases of machines that they really wouldn't have spent a lot of time on their network, but are important. Like you might have a copy machine that's running a version of a web server that you wouldn't consider important or would never get around to patching. But Kenna can say, oh, this is running this version of Apache, and we know it's being actively exploited. You should spend the time to patch this copy machine. Or we can say, hey, here's some web servers that need to be patched. And you can then use that data to go into your planning meetings and go to your boss and say, hey, we know this is going to be a big deal and it's going to make us take down the website for a little bit. But Kenna is providing us data that's saying these are being actively exploited. We need to take this outage today to patch these servers so that we're protected.
Excellent. So what's in store for the future at Kenna Security?
We're making a big push into web application security because if you keep up with the news, you can start to tell that more and more third-party applications and in-house written applications are becoming the way hackers are getting in the network. So we're starting a really big push into application security. And over the next 12 months, we're going to launch a new product that's going to help customers not only secure their vulnerability management on their systems, but also help them start protecting their code bases so that they can know what to patch there and what to prioritize when they're fixing their code.
Excellent. That's two big security issues at the moment. Exciting stuff. If you would like to see more of Kenna Security and NGS UK, please come to stand E24 at IP Expo in London on 3rd and 4th of October, and we can provide you with a demo and a discussion with one of the top guys at Kenna Security. Thanks.